Now this is a fusion I want to see. On this Super Dragon Ball special, we're gonna draw a real fusion that everyone would love to see in the Dragon Ball episodes. Tonight, we're gonna draw the fusion of both Granola and Broly. Legendary Cerulean Super Saiyan. It's amazing. Here's the goggle on his back. It's gonna be amazing. The strongest battling against the world's most biggest threat, also joining forces with the legendary Super Saiyan. This ought to be something that'll change and fix history. By the way, I have been told about Rising Fist's patron, about him building a season finale for the after Goku's family grows old. Also with Vegeta and Broly joining forces once again to track down Frieza and his son Koriza. I really think that his name should be called Crimson. Yeah, I think his name should be called Crimson. Anyway, one thing about Crimson, he has a different form that I hope we'll see in the next episode. Hopefully he'll have a transformation that's kind of like that. Man, this fusion is out of this world. He looks like a lumberjack. Yeah. A really handsome lumberjack. One of the best lumberjacks I've ever seen. Alexa, play Middlemost Post theme.
Here's Avatar. The last.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Middlemost Post theme. Right. Alexa, play Middlemost Post theme.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Alright, here's his thunder body. Alexa, play Middlemost Post.
Did you mean play the song Middlemost Post?
Yes.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
are. He looks a lot like Angus from Middlemost Post. Alexa, what is Middlemost Post?
The Middle Passage was the stage of the Atlantic slave trade in which millions of enslaved Africans were transported to the Americas as part of the triangular slave trade. Ships departed Europe for African markets with manufactured goods, which were then traded for slaves with rulers of African states and other African slave traders.
Good thing that they don't do that in space. Slave trading is now illegal. There we are. There's his other arm. Now we draw his pelt. This is what? This is Baw's ear. Man, I'm taking fusions to another level. Incredible, right? And there. That's how you draw the fusion of Granola and Broly. I feel like his name should be called Brola. He's buff and glows green. Definitely a legendary Super Saiyan's amazing name. He deserves that title. He literally does. Anyway, that's all for now, boys. Good night.